So we want to tip sand from some project. Ah, Mobi, go over. Gakiba. Gakiba. You see, this is my boy. Huh? Gakiba. Gakiba, go over.
Ha.
Gakiba.
Dina no good.
Huh?
Okay, di.
Madam.
Oh. Get a jum way.
I better go mama honey for nana.
Eh.
Honey for.
Chineke. Talk about that.
Just today nana.
Eh.
I just aquamozu.
Ni wala bread go tell him.
Na been can me mama honey for nana. Oh for my.
No. No. Who gonna have?
I got me. Driver.
Hey.
But all the come motor na azeba. Oh, motor na azeba. Very good, honest. Very good. And two car. Get cool me. Get my camera. Kedo. So, I will follow me. This is my ancestral home. Remember to share my video and comment on the comment section. Okay? Just they want to tip sand so that they will start a new project for here. Okay? How do you feel? Where are you copying? So see it all by yourself. Okay? Life is good, honest. Life is good. Life is good. This one a young engineer. A youngest engineer. Any contract you need, you want to execute a contract, housing, building a house. You contact him. Hey, it's okay. Go front. Yeah. Come on, dear. It's okay. It's okay. So they want to tip sand. They will be here, man. What won't go there? What's up? What won't go? So, men at work. Men at work. They want to teach sand. This is a young engineer. Now here they do all this work, facing work, building, any kind of contract you need. But through engineer, bye. Engineer bye. Engineer. Engineer. You engineer bye. This is what a ship driver. So if you need a sand, contact him. People don't have for a good need their money off. So I help you say a free marker. I'm a free first year. You want to do what you say. And keep back there. So yeah, this is stuff. Thank you and God bless you. Share my video. Remember to follow me on my page and like my video. I explain the Maazi-UC. Thank you and God bless you all.